Alright, gonna pick this up.
What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day, because my day isn't over yet. So I have a problem with my car now. My axles, I guess, are toasted because it's very dangerous to drive my car right now. And it's making a lot of weird noises that I don't like, and I don't trust my car right now. So I'm actually driving my girl's car, which is right here, which we also have a couple mods for today that were really needed. You see these headlights, right? They're like black housing inside or whatever. They have a little, like, I don't know what they are. Let me see if I can get on camera. You see those little like specks of dust or whatever, of paint or whatever? Yeah, those don't come off. We're also fixing this nest of wires, because like I said before, whoever owned this car before didn't know how to wire up the simple halo lights. So what we're doing today is wiring, then installing new headlights with LEDs, because these have some nasty blue HIDs that only works on one side, and then possibly installing the new exhaust. So we're gonna start off by actually unboxing the jack that we have, and the headlights and the LEDs. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know how it's gonna come out because it's really dark in here and I really need some lights. Literally the only thing lighting up this whole garage is 2 LED light bulbs that clearly aren't meant for a garage. But anyway, unboxing, let's go. So obviously I always go with aux beams because that's what I'm running on my current car, and it works perfectly fine. But that was simple. And these are the LEDs I'm running. All right, oh, that's not how it goes. Package number 1 done. Number 2, I already opened this because when I ordered mine, there was a bracket that was broken and I had to send it back and get a new one. But these are the exact ones I have on my car. See, these are clear lens instead of the black lens like there's currently on her car, which look much better on the black. So that's box number 2. Move it out of the way for the jack. This is one of the levers right here. Another lever. Instructions, I guess. Yeah, instructions. And then the jack. Bad boy out. There we go. Okay, so this is the jack, obviously. What is this? Should I even take that out? Maybe I should. Yeah, I need to take this out. Right? It looks like it comes out. Well, yeah, obviously I need to take this out. How the hell? Jesus Christ. Hold on. No, you can't pull that out, bro. There's no way. There's no way you could pull this out. Nah. Maybe I should read the instructions. Maybe I should do that. Maybe it'll help a lot. But this should be simple. This one goes in here. Oh, no. Yes. No. No. What the hell? This one? Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, there you go. Push this down. And this will pop out. There we go. Alright. There we go. We're done. And it works. Alright, now to disassemble the front bumper and start to work on these this wiring mess that we have here. So this should be fun. Alright, to take off this bumper, since they have some like little dress up hardware, literally just L keys or Allen keys, whatever they're called, right there, all along here. And then there's gonna be screws here. You know how to take off a front bumper. It's easy. If you don't know, then just try it and you'll get it. There's literally only bolts. Just don't make the mistake that I did, and underneath there's like the little plastic guard thing that it has for like the weather guard or whatever. That thing, don't pull with that on. They're literally bolted in. So take those off first before you mess up your bumper. Okay? Okay. Alright, so the bumper is ready to come off. I took all the screws out already. So let's do that now, actually. Oh wait, can't do that. Gotta take off the bulbs from the side markers here. So take two. Now we take it off. Okay, bumper, good condition bumper. We put it over to the side over there. Okay, so now the real challenge begins of fixing this wiring harness. I mean, they have so many things just spliced up that make no sense and split into different ways. This looks factory, so I hope it is. Looks factory though. So I'm gonna, obviously keep that. I'm not cutting anything except these stupid HID ballast things that they ran horribly wrong because none of it worked. So took off this ground here. Probably not gonna record this because this is super boring and it's gonna take me a super long time. Oh, this is where that wire goes to. Yeah, I found this wire accidentally pulled out of nowhere and I was like, oh crap, what do I do now? But yeah, I'm not gonna record this mess of me fixing this because there's no point and you're gonna get super bored. So I'm just gonna do like a little quick oh wow, this fan is super loose. What the hell, boy? Are you kidding me? Did they really stab it into the radiator? Oh my goodness. Bro, what were these people thinking? Oh my. Bro, they literally stabbed this fan into the radiator. Can I even get a... Come on, focus. Look at that. Bro, there's a hole right here. It's literally sliced down because of the pressure it's putting on it. Oh, great, bro. There's so much stuff I have to do this car. And then the wiring down here, they messed up. So I gotta like cut all this and redo it. It's gonna be a really long time. At least these come out easily. All right. Well, time to get working. Catch you in a little bit. quick update. This right here is the aftermath. These are the old crappy headlights, which I'm gonna keep, you never know. So that's there. And then this is the huge harness that they used for the ballast and HID lights that didn't even work. See? Look at all this. For what reason? Like, what the hell is this, man? But yeah, extra wires for me, I guess, if I ever need them in the future. These wires are all still bundled up, but I try to fix most of them, which I did. I rewrapped them with electric tape. And then same thing on this side over here. See, it's so much cleaner. Let me get out of the shadow. Oh, I need freaking light in this garage, man. Well, right there, it's so much cleaner. So now to rewrap this, I'm gonna wrap it with electrical tape just to make sure there's nothing, you know, touching or anything. And then I'm gonna reuse this little harness thing that they had right here and cover all the wires up with it again. This little plastic, like, weather guard, I guess you could call it. So, yeah, I'll give you guys another update when it's done. All right, so it's currently day 2. My camera died, so I couldn't keep recording. And it was like 3 in the morning, so I, you know, decided to stop the process and wait till tomorrow. But anyways, I cleared up most of the junk that was there. These are just mostly the factory wires. And then some of the other grounds and stuff here. These are all the grounds in their proper spot. That big jumbo mess of wires I had, I taped them together. As you can see, they're right there, but I needed more tape to finish it off. And then this thingy, I actually found out it is a factory thing. They even looked factory, and it goes right there, right in this little bracket right here. But I don't know how to connect it. I don't see like a little clip or anything, so I'm just gonna leave it dangle there. And then that's pretty much it. Everything else is clean, so we are ready. Oh, I also fixed these right here that were spliced, but we are ready to put on the new headlights and the LEDs and then call it a day. New headlights right here, they're ready. All we need is to wire them up here for the halos, and then we're done. But all right, enough chit chat. I'll show you guys the progress in a bit. So now there's another update. I know, so many freaking updates. This video is gonna consist of a lot of updates. But before I get ahead of myself and put everything back, this is what I did, wiring wise. These people, they obviously extended the wires. For what reason? I don't know. But I shortened them. I shortened them down for they don't smack on the ground anymore. And also what I did was, you see these are the 2 wires, black and red, that you get from the halo lights. So what I did was just splice them into the ground of the turn signal light right here. And then I did the same thing with the positive. These were already bridged for some reason, so I just kept them like that. And they should all work now. So let's go see that real quick. Here. Let's connect the battery again. Okay, battery's on. Okay. Driver's side lights working. These aren't connected yet. But there you go. It's working. And these are on as well. So everything works perfectly fine. Turn signal all works and everything. So now I'm just gonna put the bumper back on after I finish the other headlight, and I'll probably take it outside and see how it looks outside with lights that actually work now. All right, so we're finally done, man. Finally done. So this is all the wiring. I just tucked it up under the ABS thingy for you can't see it that much. LEDs are in, all connected. Same thing on this side. Right there. Everything's all clean. And this is what the car looks like. Clean. Matches with the side markers over here. Everything's good. Look at that. Look at that ice, baby. Ooh. Ooh. It's so clean. It's so nice. So new and shiny. Look at that. That's the first click. So you could see the halos. Boom. See everything's working. Boom. Perfect. Now let's see with the actual LEDs on. I hate that little beeping noise, but it's useful. Here we go. Ooh, that beautiful color. Look at that. No more nasty blue or whatever that color was that it had. Purple. I don't freaking know. Look at that. And the high beams in here, I don't have LED high beams yet. You see a little bulb like right there? It's this little thing here. This little piece of crap. But let's turn on the high beams. Are you kidding me?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Bro, did you just see? Oh my freaking God, man. This door was giving me problems to open and unlock because I don't know what the hell is wrong with the lock actuator or whatever it is, but...
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Babe, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it. Alright, anyways. High beams on. There you go. They work. Oof, they are bright for being some weird cheap things. So that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for staying tuned and watching to the end. Really means a lot. So please subscribe for I can in the future get them cool cars with that YouTube money. But thank you guys for watching and peace out.